Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I need to move that Dyson. So essentially, Selena Gomez's brand Rare Beauty has come out with a new line of lip oils, and I thought we could go through them and do a little review. So she has launched 8 different shades. I could only get my hands on 7, but I think that's still enough to do a full review. Starting off with the shade Happy. Right off the bat, this is the same packaging as their viral blushes, which are known to be super pigmented. So I'm really intrigued to see how pigmented these are as well. I have such dry lips, so I love a lip oil because they're super nourishing and hydrating on the lips. You still get that little bit of color. Whoa, this is way more pigmented than any other lip oil I've ever tried. So this is the color Happy. It's got like a really cool pink color to it, at least it does on my lips. So when you apply it, you'll get this like minty, tingly feeling to your lips. So if you don't like that, you're not gonna like this. It's only light, but it's definitely there. It's kind of like the Dior lip oil. It's also got that. And it's not something that I love, but I can stand. Only when you wipe off the lip oil, it leaves a stain on the lips as well. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, so since these lip oils are also lip stains, I am going to apply a little bit of concealer to my lips just to neutralize the color, and we can get a true understanding of what each lip color looks like. Okay, next we have Hope. This is the lightest shade they have in the lip oil range. Oh, I like this color. It's like a nudie mauve shade. It's really nice. See, this one doesn't have a tingle. The other one did. This definitely had a tingle. Maybe my lips are used to it, but this does not feel like it's got that tingle feeling to it. I can definitely see myself wearing this shade a lot. I really like this. One thing I will say is I wish the doffers were a little bit bigger. You have to do a couple of swipes around your lips to get an even distribution of the product. Actually, the Dior Beauty lip oils, they have the most amazing applicator heads on them. They're super like lush and plump and fat, and it's just one swipe and then it's applied. Okay, let's see what the tint looks like. Let's try Honesty. So Selena actually posted a video of her applying this shade to her lips on her TikTok, and it sold out within like minutes. I couldn't get it until I went in store. It's a brownie sort of shade, but it's a little less pigmented and a little lighter on the lips. I'm really surprised. I think that this is one of my favorites. I have never liked a brown lipstick or lip gloss or anything on my lips before, but this, I really like this. All right, let's do the lip stain. Let's go with the shade Joy. This is more of a coral shade, which is having a really big moment in my blush routine at the moment. I love a coral blush. Hopefully this will like match my blush. Oh, it's coming out a lot redder than I thought. I feel like I already have quite red lips, so maybe this has just emphasized how red my lips are, but I don't know, because then I added the foundation, so I personally don't love this shade on me. Let's take it off. Then we have the shade Wonder. Ooh, this is like a rosy mauve. This is my favorite color to put on my lips. Okay, Wonder is another favorite. I feel like the tint's gonna be really nice too. Okay, next we have Affection. This is what they call a muted berry, which is just a really fancy way of saying it's purple. It is so pigmented. I cannot believe that this is meant to be a lip oil. I definitely think this is gonna be the one that flies off the shelf. Next, we're heading in with Delight. Now, this seems to be a really rosy brown shade. It's not something I would normally pick up, so I am intrigued to see how it looks on the lips. The formula is still quite thin. Actually, you know what's interesting to me? These are really lightweight and they're not sticky like a regular lip oil. It's definitely more like a jelly type formula than like a traditional lip oil formula. Actually, you know where I felt this formula before? in Korean beauty. They do a lot of these like gel lip stains. I have a feeling this was intended as a lip stain. Okay, let's take the oil off. So I did just have a little look online. There's a conspiracy. So the conspiracy is that while they were creating these lip products, it was like in the height of, you know, the Fenty Beauty lip POUTSICLEs and all the lip stains. Everyone wanted a lip stain. So they were developing these with the idea that they would put them out as a lip stain, which makes sense because they are extremely pigmented. But I think that as lip oil started to gain some traction this year, when they released it, they decided to pivot and market it as a lip oil. Okay, so we can see a little bit clearer, I'm gonna put the Rare Beauty lip oil on my top lip and the Fenty Beauty lip POUTSICLE on my bottom lip. Okay, I'm definitely seeing some similarities between the Fenty Beauty lip POUTSICLE and the Rare Beauty lip oil. That being said, the lip POUTSICLE is just not as shiny as the Rare Beauty lip oil, and the lip oil's pigmented, but it's not as pigmented as the POUTSICLE. I definitely see how people are drawing similarities between the two though. The colors might not be the same, but the formula, it feels extremely similar on the lips. Let's see what the tint looks like. Wow, practically the same. Okay guys, that is all for today. I love these Rare Beauty lip oils. I think they're absolutely stunning on the lips. I love the lip stain that they leave on the lips. The only thing I'd say is I wish they had a slightly bigger applicator like those Dior lip oils, that big dofer that you could just do the one swipe. But honestly, other than that, I really like them. I think my favorite shade is Wonder and then also Honesty, which is a really nice brown, and I didn't think I'd like it. But yeah, I think they're definitely worth the money. Rare Beauty never misses. Everything I try from them is really just beautiful. But that's all for today. So make sure to like, subscribe, and also follow me on my other socials so you never miss a beat.